Friends, today many people want to start a small business from home, but they are confused because they also think that for industry to always be successful, it needs big machines, lots of money, and a factory system. However, in reality, many products that people use in their daily lives can be manufactured either from home or within a small workshop. So if you are also thinking of starting a small business from home, today in this video we will share 10 home business ideas based on current market trends and growing consumer demand. So watch until the end because some of the ideas here are already becoming fast-growing markets. But don't forget that every business requires hard work, proper planning, and good training. Therefore, before you start a business, conduct a thorough market study for it in your area. Also, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Bamboo toothbrush manufacturing. First, let's look at the manufacture of bamboo toothbrushes. With plastic pollution becoming a serious problem, many people today prefer environmentally friendly products. The bamboo toothbrush serves as an excellent alternative, and its demand is steadily rising across markets in India, Europe, and online platforms. And the raw material bamboo is cheap and easily available in many states. And you can start this business in a small setup at home or in a small room using a few small machines. Then you can sell your products through Amazon, Flipkart, or eco-friendly stores. And if you create a natural brand, it has the potential to be positioned as a premium product. Number 2. Natural beverages manufacturing. The next idea is a natural beverage production business such as herbal drinks, fruit drinks, or traditional health drinks. Today, many people are moving away from artificial soft drinks and looking for natural options, due to which drinks made from ingredients like ginger, basil, lemon, jaggery, or herbs are in high demand in local markets and health stores. So you can start this drink at home or in a small scale after obtaining FSSAI food safety certification by preparing it with proper hygiene and good taste, filtering it and bottling it with simple sealing machines. Furthermore, you can sell your drinks in grocery stores, cafes, and even online platforms. Number 3. Handcrafted musical instruments. Another interesting business is handcrafted musical instruments. Instruments like small drums, bamboo flutes, wooden percussion tools, and folk instruments are always needed for music learners and cultural programs. Today, many schools, music classes, and online music students regularly buy these products. So if you have woodworking skills or local craftsmen nearby, you can create these instruments from home or small workshops. Furthermore, since people with a passion for music prefer traditional and authentic items, handmade musical instruments enjoy a warm reception. Number 4. Tea bag and coffee capsule making. Today, the tea and coffee market is huge and ready-to-use products are becoming very popular. Tea bags with herbal blends, green tea or flavored tea are in high demand in supermarkets and online stores. Also, nowadays the coffee capsules are also growing because more people now use capsule coffee machines at home. So, with a small filling and sealing machine, you can pack tea or coffee into bags or capsules. Furthermore, these products can be sold at local coffee shops and restaurants or marketed through social media and online platforms. However, to succeed in this business, you need to focus on branding and unique flavors. Number 5. Edible cutlery manufacturing. This is a very unique product where spoons and forks are made from wheat flour, rice flour, or millet flour. These spoons can be eaten after using, or they can simply dissolve naturally. So there is no plastic waste. Many eco-friendly restaurants, food trucks, and catering companies are now searching for such products. So you can start with a small molding machine that can produce these spoons in bulk. Today, with the growing focus on sustainable development, edible spoons and forks are expected to grow as sustainability trends continue. However, since this industry falls under the food production category, you must have government food certification. Number 6 is electrical fittings manufacturing. Small electrical fitting manufacturing is another profitable small-scale business. Products like switch plates, small connectors, holders, and plastic electrical accessories are used in every building, especially as the construction industry keeps growing. So you can start with plastic molding machines and small assembly tools. These fittings can be produced in small batches. Local hardware stores and electricians are always looking for suppliers who provide goods at affordable prices, so you can supply products to them. Number 7. Dried flower manufacturing business. Next, we look at dried flower manufacturing. Dried flowers are widely used in home decoration, gift boxes, wedding decor, and craft products. So you can start with flowers like roses, lavender, marigolds, and eucalyptus. It can be dried using natural drying methods or simple drying machines. These products are lightweight and easy to pack, which makes them perfect for selling online. Today, many handmade craft businesses and decor brands regularly look for dried flowers in bulk. So if you have export-grade packaging and GST registration, this product can reach international markets too. Number 8. Perfume making business. Perfume making is a business where margins can be strong. People love unique fragrances, and small perfume brands are becoming very popular on social media. So you can make perfumes at home by mixing several types of essential oils, alcohol, and fixatives in the right proportions. Moreover, you will need mixing containers, measuring tools, and filling bottles, all of which you can purchase from your local vendors. Therefore, if you create creative perfume bottles, you can build a small perfume brand right from home. Number 9. Multi-flower manufacturing. Another growing product is multi-flower, also called health flour or millet flour mix. Today, many families want healthier food options instead of plain wheat flour. Especially flour made from ragi, jowar, oats, or mixed grains, it's becoming very popular. So you can start with a small flour grinding machine and mixer to create nutritious flour blends. Proper packaging in sealed bags helps retain freshness and extend shelf life. Therefore, with appropriate packaging, you can sell your products in grocery stores, health and wellness outlets, and e-commerce platforms. Number 10. Grocery products pouch packaging business. Today, many small grocery items like spices, grains, pulses, dry fruits, and snacks are sold in small pouches. So you can buy small packaging units and buy products in bulk and pack them into retail size packets. A sealing machine, weighing scale, and good packaging materials are enough to start. Local supermarkets, grocery stores, and online retailers always require properly packed grocery products. So if you start with clean packaging, you can build the foundation of a strong local brand over time. So friends, these were 10 homemade product business ideas that you can start with a focused investment and a compact production setup. So if you select a product with consistent demand and continuously enhance it by focusing on its quality and branding, even a small beginning can grow into a sustainable business. However, as we mentioned earlier, every business requires hard work, proper planning, and excellent training. Therefore, conduct comprehensive market research. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.